dog. I have a dog. It has a short tail. Say with me, I is a V-E, have a dog, D-O-G, dog. I-T, eat, S-A-S, has a short, S-H-O-R-T, short, tail, T-A-I-L, tail. Now it's your turn. Cat. I have a pet. It is a brown cat. Say with me, I have, S-A-V-E, have a pet, P-E-T, eat, I-T, eat, is, I-S, is a brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown cat, C-A-T, cat. Now it's your turn. I have a plant. It is a flower. Say with me, I is a V-E, have a plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Eat, I-T, eat, is, I-S, is a flower, F-L-O-W-E-R. Now it's your turn. Apple. I have an apple. It is red. Say with me, I have, S-A-V-E, have an, A-N-N, apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. Eat, I-T, eat, is, I-S, is Red. R-E-D. Red. Now it's your turn. Bag. I have a bag. It is small. Say with me. I have. S-A-V-E. Have a bag. B-A-G. Bag. It. I-T. It. Is. Is small. S-M-A-L-L. Small. Now it's your turn. Balloon. I have a balloon. It is big. Say with me. I have. S-A-V-E. Have a balloon. B-A-L-L-O-O-N. It. I-T. It. Is. Is big. B-I-G. Big. Now it's your turn. Horse. Say with me. I have a horse. It has a long tail. Again, say with me. I have. S-A-V-E. Have a horse. S-O-R-S-E. Horse. It. I-T. It. Has. S-A-S. Has a long. L-O-N-G. Long tail. T-A-I-L. Tail. Now it's your turn. Subscribe for more video.